Hello, hello to you all. Hope all are happy, enjoying. Today, I'm going to speak the topic, your emotions are not for sale. Yeah, these days it has become a common problem. Most of the youngsters, even everybody you can see, they are always sad because of the relationship. It's a common tendency of a human being. He wants the company of someone. Everybody is looking for the company of someone. And what happens after some time, we feel very disheartened. Why it happens, It is the common problem. It is happening with most of the people. And then we are very sad, we are dejected, we feel very unhappy, broken heart. So many things happens with us. So if we are that much mature, why we forget and our maturity while developing any relationship? Why we do not think at that time? Why we become so weak? Because we do not give proper attention and we do not take some of the things in mind while developing the relationship with any of the person. That is very, very necessary. However, we all are human beings. We all have mind, we all have heart, we all have ego. So, but sometimes it is very necessary to observe that kind of matching with that person. So, because what happens in starting, everybody looks nice. In starting, whomsoever you will meet, then you will find is a nice person or she is a nice person. But after some time, what happens? Then we start disliking each other. So, and that becomes a great problem for us. And despite getting so much success and despite means you are so much educated, highly educated, even though you are disheartened. So somehow you are wrong. No? That means you need to understand the philosophy, the theory of developing the relationship. If you are not going to learn it, so what is the benefit of getting education? What is the benefit of that you are saying you are getting mature and you are learning so many things and you are not learning how to understand a person? I am telling you some of the ways. When you are going to develop any relationship, what you have to do? First of all, you have to be very, very careful when you are going to develop a new relationship. Always be careful. Means that doesn't mean that you have seen any person and you have started liking that person. No. Okay, liking is a different thing, but loving is a different thing. So, be very careful after meeting a person. You should take time. Do not think like that. Okay, miss, you have liked any person and you have accepted his proposal. You start first. You understand. You be very careful. What kind of person he is that, and then take time to accept him. Do not accept him very easily. Take time to accept him. And then what you have to do after accepting him, you do not have to depend on him 100%. What happens? We leave ourselves to a person 100% and we become very habitual of that person. We become used to of that person. And then we feel very bad when we do not find him complete in our life. So, you do not have to depend 100% on him. You have to observe him, you have to analyze him, you have to understand him. And then what you have to do, then you have to ensure when you are going to develop any relationship and you are going to accept that person, that you are not going to cry at the end. That means you have to keep in mind that if you are going to commit that relationship, means at the end you will not cry. So what you have to do means you have to accept that person with his negative qualities, with his negative things. Always remember, a person cannot be 100% according to you. He would be having some of the different things which you will not like or which he will not like in you. we always find 100% in a person. No, you will have to accept him with his negative qualities. What happens in starting, we always try to show our positive things and no one tells his negative things. But if you are really enough mature, both must find own negative things and both must discuss negative things, because both are getting problem, both are disheartened. That doesn't mean only one is there. If any of the relationship break up, then both are very sad, both are unhappy, and both face the problems. So the better way is that right from the very beginning, try to tell your negative things also. What are the negative things? What are the negative habits you are having? Because sometimes we ignore these things. No, that things becomes very important. So accept a person with the negative things and please discuss your negative things with each other. Negative thing, that doesn't mean that negative things you have. That may be your habits. That may be your nature. That may be your behavior. That may be your thinking. That may be your mindset. You must try to tell about everything yourself, that my mindset is like this, my thinking is like this, my behavior is like this, my habits are like this. Both should tell and then try to see really, then you must try to match that really he is matching according to your wishes, according to your desires, according to your habits, according to your behavior or nature, or he is not. Because we always forget all these things and we only see no that he is a good person and she is good person, but both are good. No one is denying you both are good, but you both are unable to adjust with each other because you both have not discussed your everything about yourself. You both have not discussed about your nature, behavior, attitude, thinking, approach towards life and everything. So please and please, before developing any relationship, try to discuss over these issues. And then what you have to do, if really you want that person in your life, then you must try to change according to him also. It also happens that we want that person but we do not want to change. You will have to change. If you want yourself if you want that person in your life, then you will have to change according to him. But what happens? Ego clash there. Why I should change? Why he should not change? Why she should not change? Why I should change? If you will keep these kind of egos in developing any relationship, then how you will be happy? You will not be able to happy. That is the reason we are always looking for a companion, and after getting a companion, even though we are unhappy. Why? Because we do not want to change ourselves according to that person. If really you want that person, you like that person, then you must try to change yourself according to him also. Because you want him, because you love him, because you like him. Similarly, if both will think same thing, then I don't think that any kind of problem will occur and you both really will remain very happy. You both will enjoy this entire world. This is very true that people are very lonely. They want the company of someone, but what happens after a certain period, that company convert into a big problem. So be a very mature. Try to understand the meaning of that relationship. Try to understand that person's habit, attitude, behavior, background and everything. Try to match him according to yourself and then ensure you are not going to cry at the end. Try to change yourself according to him and accept him with his negative thinking, with his negative qualities. These all things you have to keep in mind while developing any relationship. If you will keep all these things in your mind before developing any relationship, I don't think so that you are going to dishearten and you will enjoy this wonderful world. This is very true. To enjoy this entire world, to enjoy all the happiness, even to share unhappy and problems and sorrows also, we need a good companion. So be careful and then develop and then commit with any person, and then you will remain so happy. And try to do these all things, and I don't think so after doing after applying all these things which I have told you, no one is going to dishearten, no one is going to cry, and everybody is going to enjoy the life. So my wishes are always with you. I hope that you will like this video, and always wait for your comment, and always wish that you share with the maximum people so others can also get the benefit. Thank you. Wish you all the best.